We are back playing with the talking machine here, and we are mounting the refurbished fixed power supplies, and in a few minutes we're gonna power it up. Power supplies are in and all the wires are connected. We are more or less back and ready to power this up. We will voltmeter check everything here in a second. What we are a little bit worried about is all those wires with all the different color codes and stuff, because what if any of these wires kind of fell off? And on the other side they use the same colors, see, black and blue and yellow and all that, so it is exactly the same. And if I go to the first module again, look at the colors, and the other side it's the same. Yay, that is great. So we are playing with the signal generator, and we got some information here about some repeat and some start and some stuff, and there is a blue wire that seems to be a start synchronization, and we're measuring on the analog signals on the other channels. What we find out is this is like a monitor of each output. So if you enable this, then you can dial on this signal. See, now there's an analog signal on the blue channel. So then you can kind of adjust everything here for exactly this sound you want in this particular time frame. So far so good, but now we want to see a sequence of analog signals, and we're a little bit stuck on that. We got some good news. So this is a enable start signal of some sort. We still haven't figured out exactly the fundamental of this signal, but it is in repeat and it is started. There is a repeat time, and it is actually now playing back settings in 3 of the channels down here, and it is playing back, see, from low and a little bit more, a little bit more, and a little bit more, and all that stuff. And then we actually see the different timings is doing like this, and see all the timings. There are 40. So let's try and do this like 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. And then let's see. We're going to get an update in a few seconds, and then we're going to see more and more time, I guess. Right? No, that did not happen. Why did that not happen? So that was the time from the top. So let's try the timing on the bottom. Maybe that is the thing, because there is no manual, right? So we're trying to figure out how this thing works. And is it reacting to the timing? Is it restarting anymore? No, it is not. Let's try and push the start button and see if there's any re-trigger, because all the timing in the different signals, that is still 40 milliseconds, and it's not responding to a restart. What did we do? What is falling out? Oh, we got a super breakthrough here. Now we are looking at the output of the smoothing filter and the output of the pulses. So look at this. Here we go. Those are all the different pulses we have programmed with all the different analog values, and that will be the time that each pulse is enabled. Up here we got the filter constant, how aggressive is the smoothing. So let's see if I super aggressive some of the filters here in the middle. Let's look at the next update, and you'll see a more smooth in between the different pulses. So now we finally figured out those are smoothing. That will be the different times of the different parameters. Wow, we got something up and running now.